Hello, this is Barry, and you're watching Barry and the PI. We're on a road trip now, and we're going down this road that we've never been down before. And so we'll take you along with us on this trip here. This is a kind of a windy cut through the mountains. This is the east-west road.
Turn right.
Now it's telling us to turn right up here.
Turn right.
This was a nice little drive. And now we're here. Down a little valley. This is what you're going to get when you drive down Province roads. You look at all the butterflies that are flying around. Must be breeding season, mating season for them. Cornfield. You just have to wait a little bit when you get behind a track like that. They're not going to be able to go very fast. There's a nice house there. Ah, somewhat bumpy. This is a little small town sitting in the valley, surrounded by mountains and lots of trikes. What's that? Honey, what are you driving over?
Those leaves. Banana leaves.
Oh,
Dried leaves.
a little school, elementary school. Hordes, dogs walking in the street.
Oh, lots of cows.
And a little pasture here with some cows. Lots of small traffic though. Go ahead. A pastoral scene. So you got to have a lot of patience here on these provincial roads. There, of course, is a basketball court, Barangay Hall, Paalala.
Reminders.
So,
Curfew hours.
oh, that's a reminder.
Yeah, it
They have
says
a curfew in this.
paalala is a
town.
reminder in English. They have curfew hours here.
Digging, repairing the one lane of the road. Yes. Just got to have a lot of patience in living here in the Philippines. So just develop a laid-back attitude, and you'll do fine. Look, oh, there's another pasture. Lots of cows out there.
Really nice.
Another school. That's the high
So
school.
we are already in Luok.
Where what?
Luok.
Oh,
Luok High School.
oh,
We're
okay.
already here.
All right.
So maybe I need to put now Pico de Loro. Huh?
Yeah. Or Mount Palay National Park, NP. This is Looc, Looc.
In 300 meters, turn left.
Turn left here.
No. 300 meters. So we're here.
Turn left.
I'll turn left here.
But I need to later on it will bring us to where the Luok. Because we just put Luok, right?
Uh-huh.
Head
So we
southwest
need to-
on Nasugbu, Ternate Highway.
Sit. Okay, Mount Palay-Palay.
Yeah. NP.
Let's see. Mount Palay-Palay. Well, it's not
NP.
showing. I know, MP, Palay-Palay, it's not showing.
Ah,
National Park?
yes.
Okay.
Head southwest on Nasugbu, Ternate Highway.
Okay. So, 41 minutes. Oh, we
What?
went to a long way to get there.
Continue on Nasugbu, Ternate Highway for 1.5 kilometers.
Okay, so I'll let y'all rest and be back here in a little bit. See you later. And now we're here right outside of Pico de Oro Resort. It's beautiful around here. Let's look at this little drive. We're heading up to that, up those mountains to the national park, and we'll see monkeys again. And hopefully some other things, but just look at this.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Look
this
at
is
that.
beautiful
Huh?
around here. Yeah. It's really pretty around here. The road is real nice, but it's a windy road. And we'll go through the tunnel again soon. But as you can see, it's a real winding road. But very pretty. Doing some work. Lobster for sale. Lots of lobster for sale. Winding road. You find that a lot here in the Philippines. And here's another sharp turn. And then the left turn. As I said, patience is good here in the Philippines. You need it. A lot of motorcyclists come out here to visit. More lobster for sale. I brought a cooler. We might stop and get some lobster, but we didn't bring a cooler. I was trying to speed through some of these curves. A little too fast. Sometimes she thinks she's a NASCAR driver.
Hey, I'm not.
And she is. Look at that tree right across the road there. Okay, I'll come back to you when we get there. Oh, we're here at the National Park now. Mount Pilai National Park and protected landscape. Off there.
Recently there is a tree fell.
Yeah. Beautiful national park. But people trash it out. See trash laying side of the road. This is a Marine base up here. It's right there. So far I haven't seen any monkeys yet. But we'll get over here and park and see what we can see.
That flower, the white one.
Yeah, look at those flowers there.
Maybe you need to open the window.
Yep. There's just a lot of different types of plants around here. Go ahead and going.
Oh, there is a big bird.
Where?
That
Oh, way up there, flying. Maybe it could. Wonder if that's a Philippine eagle. We're going to try to see him, get a better view of it. Now this place is a birder's paradise. Lots of different kinds of birds. I went somewhere. Now there are some hiking trails. Oh, look at that purple. We'll get it back. Uh, there are some trails. You have to call ahead and get a permit to go hiking on them.
Yeah, I remember the last.
Up there they are. There's some monkeys.
There.
Hello there. Hello there.
You're not showing the monkey. So you need to look at your screen. Your screen. It's not showing the monkey.
I'm getting out. We're going to get out and look at the monkeys for a little bit.
Maybe I need to pull. Okay, go ahead and sit. Go there, and I will
Hello.
park the car.
Hello.
Careful.
Hi there. How are you? Hi there.
I closed the door. I'm going to park the car. I'm in the middle of the road.
Okay. There's Mama and her babies there. Oh, there's one up the tree. There's the ones with the babies. And there's a little baby over there. This is why I like to come up here, see the monkeys. He's just sitting there watching me. There's another one going up the tree. Hello there. Chip, chip, chip. There's also butterflies are out. That's a black one. It's got a very long tail.
Hello. Honey, you stand here. I'm going to take a picture of you. No, you face towards me.
Huh?
I'm going to take a picture of you. The monkey's behind you. Never mind.
I'm no threat. But it's neat being able to see monkeys in their native habitat. Watch them how they react to you. Very calm around me. The rest have gone on into the thick forest. There's one up there. Just resting. Looks like Daddy's here. Protecting his family. Up. You get that sharp teeth. You wouldn't want one of these to bite you. So we're not going to aggravate them.
That's a baby there.
Huh?
That's a small one.
This one's a
baby.
big one.
There,
Yeah.
huh?
Yeah, I was there. Can't see it in there. Just out there looking. Look at that. Opened his mouth. They're just as curious about us as we are about them. There's Mama with her baby.
Oh, there's mama with a baby.
Baby just hangs on to the mothers. Hello, boy. How you doing? I just wanted to see you. Oh, there's a butterfly. Let's go down and see if we can find another one. All right. We're going to go look further. So we'll see y'all in a few seconds. Oh, look at that butterfly. Should take a. Come on, land on me. That would be neat. Come here. Come here. Ah. Look at land. Stop. Stop. There it is. That white stripes at the end of its wings. All right, we'll end this up for now. See y'all later.